Unquestionably one of Maryland's most hidden gems, Cecilia's Point is an estate to last generations. Tucked away on Maryland's eastern shore, this 117-acre estate isn't just a house, it's a symphony in how to live well without trying too hard. The journey begins with a meandering driveway that forces you to leave the frantic pace of urban life behind, winding past verdant canopies and white picket fences. Architecturally, the estate is a fascinating dialogue between coastal ease and classical rigor. It's a place where striped awnings and slate shingles shake hands with stately Corinthian columns, channeling the vibe of a refined private club rather than a typical residence. Step through the arched mahogany doors, and the interior narrative unfolds with a wink to the dramatic. The greeting hall, with its checkered marble floors and sweeping wrought iron staircase, is undeniably grand, the Great Room. Here, double-height ceilings meet intricate trusswork and stained glass, framing panoramic views of the Choptank River that might actually make you forget to check your phone. The kitchen, with its warm wooden beams, suggests you might actually enjoy cooking. The lifestyle here is predictably and delightfully indulgent, while the primary suite is less of a bedroom and more of a sanctuary, complete with a private terrace and a massage room. Because honestly, if you have 3,000 feet of shoreline, you're gonna need a space to recover from all that relaxation. Outside, the estate pivots to high-level leisure. With pickleball courts, a deep-water dock, and a saltwater pool, Cecilia's Point is designed for those who want their weekends to feel like an extended sabbatical. Magnificently resplendent, captivating, and wholly irreplaceable, Cecilia's Point is a home unlike any other. It is a rare, enduring piece of architecture that doesn't just sit on the land, it celebrates it, one sunset at a time.